In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Trezor wallet with MetaMask. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combine the security of a hardware wallet with the convenience of the software wallet that you have. So by connecting your Trezor to MetaMask, you are essentially using your Trezor as a secure key generator to your MetaMask accounts. This means that while your transactions are signed on your Trezor device, you will be able to manage your assets through the user-friendly MetaMask interface. So ensure that you have your Trezor device set up and good to go. Ensure that you have MetaMask installed on your browser, and ensure that you have the Trezor Bridge installed on your computer. The first step to all of this is going to be to connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer. This can be done using the USB cable provided, and afterwards entering your PIN on the actual Trezor hardware wallet. Once the Trezor device has been properly unlocked and set up with the USB cable, open MetaMask and click on the account drop-down. In there, you will be able to find the option to connect the hardware wallet. Choose Trezor and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be guided through the process of connecting the hardware wallet, in this specific case, Trezor. Choose the account from your Trezor that you want to use with MetaMask, and if you still haven't set up the account through Trezor, you can use the Trezor Suite application on your PC. So open Trezor Suite that you can download to the official Trezor website, click the plus sign at the left side of the screen, and you will be able to see all of the assets that are accepted within Trezor Suite. This is going to be a very convenient way to manage all of them, and like I said, you can generate as many of these addresses as you want. So choose any of the wallets here, and afterwards, select Receive. By clicking Receive inside of Trezor Suite, when you select any crypto asset, a new address will be generated. You can copy this address to share it elsewhere. And if you go back to the MetaMask hardware wallet setup, you can finish setting it up by choosing the account from your Trezor that you want to use with MetaMask. Keep in mind that while this combination offers enhanced security, it is crucial to protect your Trezor device and its seed phrase. All transactions will be signed on the Trezor device, ensuring the security of your funds. And you have to be aware of any MetaMask limitations. While it provides a user-friendly interface, it doesn't hold your private keys. The security of your assets ultimately relies on your Trezor, so always keep them both handy and keep the software up to date. Use strong passwords for both and keep them close to you while enabling two-factor authentication for MetaMask. As long as you generate the accounts on Trezor through Trezor Suite and you connect the hardware wallet to MetaMask on your browser, you will be good to go to use both of these services. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Trezor Wallet with MetaMask. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.